Good afternoon, friends. Today we are going to see how to recover the Excel sheet that was deleted mistaken. So let us see the Excel file. I have opened this Excel file from the desktop. Once the file is open, I will delete the Excel sheet. Month sheet, I will press on delete. Once I press the delete, this sheet will be get deleted from the Excel workbook. As you know that you cannot undo once a sheet get deleted. So if I want to recover this Excel sheet, what I will do, I will go to desktop again and I will reopen the Excel file. Okay. Once you reopen the Excel file, it will prompt you, do you want to reopen the file? Once you say yes, the file will be get open and the failed sheet will be available. Another option that go to file menu in the info tab, manage workbooks, recover unsaved workbooks, go to desktop and right click on the Excel file. Open as a new file. So once you click on a new, it will open the last instance file. You can see the fab sheet is available there. The one thing that you need to make sure that once you delete the sheet, please do not save the file. So let's say if I delete this, save the file, I won't be able to recover that. So in that way, you will be able to recover the Excel sheet. For this kind of video, please subscribe our channel, press like if you like the video and share with your friends. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.